Amy Calandrino here, and different viewpoint, different side of my office, and I'm coming to you with the latest installment of Beyond Your Space Needs. And last week I went over Q1 2017 industrial statistics, and this week I'm going over office. So some interesting points. It's not a surprise that a vacancy being down in industrial, that it also be down in office. And it has decreased now to 7.9%, and that's a net positive absorption of about 263,000 square feet. That's important to note. And the rental rates overall, now remember I've told you about Class A, B, and C office space and the difference between them and how they command different rental rates based on the amenity and the quality of the space. So a blended among Class A, B, and C is $19.70, $19.70, and that's also among all the different areas in Orlando, because obviously they keep track of Metro West, Winter Park, Maitland area, west side of town. Every little area, they may be tracked differently because it's a different demographic and there's different numbers, and so they can understand that more. The average quoted rate within Class A was about $24.03, and Class B is about $19.08, with Class C around $19.80, and that's up from the fourth quarter of 2016. Now in the Central Business District, it's slightly above that average at $24.06. I'm going to go on to overall the office market as a whole. Again, I went over that it's $24.03 Class A. Now, it hasn't been that high since we're looking at 2007, 2008, last time it's been in the $24 range. And that's then the lowest vacancy, where we've been around the same vacancy, if you look at the chart, was actually 2006. You see that? So, what's also important to note, I represent clients all through the area, but some areas have a higher vacancy rate. And again, due to the market values, people ask me all the time, how do you come up with market values? It's a correlation, with supply and demand and what the vacancy rates are and so forth. So above average would be the Altamont Douglas market is about 10.4%, and we also have higher is also the Orlando Central market, Central Park. That's down where Orange Blossom Trail is, and Rio Grande runs parallel, down where Lancaster and such is what's called the Orlando Central Park, and that Lake Eleanor, those office spaces, and that's close to 20%, so there may be some deals to be had. That's more Class C office space. So, South Orlando market is below 4%. And lower than that, we have West Orange. All the West Orange people, again, that area has experienced exponential growth, and the office and different commercial market has not kept up with that. So, Winter Park is also lower. It's close to 3%, and it is having a higher than average asking rent. So there's some highlights from my Q1 2017 office report.